Hello everyone. Probably there is no such motorist in the world who at least once in his life did not ask himself such a question as how you can extend the life of your engine with your own hands. Of course, if you open the hood of the car more often and look at its technical condition, the probability of detecting a breakdown is very high. And even if you are the motorist who can detect a breakdown or engine malfunction in a timely manner, this does not give a 100% guarantee that the engine life will be increased. But many motorists who look now this video will spit at me, and they will write comments that my car is in perfect condition because I rubbed it and lathered it shines. I put rubber and rubber on it ink, and where is the shine? I removed all the scratches and all the scuffs from the body. My car is the best because he also has a clean windshield. I learned to change the battery with my own hands. Without an air filter, it was also replaced. Call it retirement style, because no one is in a hurry to change gears early and really on the instrument panel very low speed before shifting to a higher gear. Go motorists who use this style of driving and believe that the engine will last much longer. I want to upset you. Your engine will not last much longer because the engine with this driving style starts oil starvation when we ride at low speeds. This means that our engine runs slowly with it. It also works slowly, and the oil pump that supplies our engine, especially the upper components, with oil. And this is what happens when there is not enough oil. Applause. With such a driving style, our engine does not warm up well or does not warm up at all with it. It warms up badly, and the oil that then does not get into the engine lubrication hole badly, after which these holes become clogged with piston dirt. The engine gradually dies. So how then to properly operate the engine of your car in order to extend its service life? Friends, the thing is that from time to time it is necessary to pile on our cars. In this case, our engine will extend its service life itself. Well, firstly, it will warm up well with it. It will warm up well and engine oil will work well. Oil performs the most basic function. The oil pump sucks in our oil, feeds the oil filter. After that it rises under pressure and lubricates our elements and parts. Only after that it enters the upper part of the engine. Heated liquid oil thoroughly wash off all the dirt from the engine and sends it all to the sump with moderate fast driving. When the engine is heated, we also clean the pistons from carbon deposits. Expensive motorists, when driving at high speeds, heat up and the engine will heat up, and the exhaust system, which already takes on water, if the engine is regularly warmed up well, it will free itself from such an emulsion which appears due to steam from oil.